My dearest students, a very delightful day to you all. Here, Sunil Singh, starting some description with you about mathematical terms. As you know, in previous videos, I had already discussed with you about some recap what you have studied in previous classes. Now we are going to discuss some number systems in which some greater numbers. In these greater numbers, we will discuss about period, place, as well as face value of numbers. As we know, we write all numerical value in two methods. One in international system and the other in Indian system. I am going to discuss with you about the Indian system value, in which first observe in your book here period and place. In period there are given ones, thousands, lakhs, crores, and if we go ahead we can get Arab, Kharab, Nil, Padam, Shankh, Mahasankh. Such type we count the numbers in Indian system. First see here ones. In ones there are three places: ones, 10, 100. In thousands there are two places: thousands, 10,000s. In lakhs there are two places: lakhs, 10 lakhs. In crores there are two places: crores, 10 crores. And such that in Arab there are two places, those are called Arabs and 10 Arabs. In Kharabs and 10 Kharabs, and so on. We will count it up to Mahasankh. So here need to understand about the terms period and place. As we know that when we go to insert commas, it means हमें अगर कमा देना होता है, then we count period. हम काउंट क्या करते हैं? पीरियड को. इट मीन्स 3 डिजिट के बाद हम कमा देते हैं. आफ्टर देयर आफ्टर each 2 digits we insert commas. This was the description of period. And place, the place count each by one, each one. It means at the place of ones the digit comes 10's place, 100 place, 1000's place, 10,000's place, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore and 10 crore, and so on. We count many numbers for place value. We will discuss some mathematical terms what are given in exercise 2. Just first we can understand very easily about the place value. Write the place value of underlined digits in each case. Underline digits in each case. Given here, underline 5. It means on which place 5 is to be counted. As we know, start your counting from ones, 10, 100, 1000. It means 5 comes at 1000 place. So the value of place value of 5 is 5000. Same as we can take question number B. Underline 2. Which place 2 comes? Count 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. It means place value of 2 is 2 lakh. At which place this 5 comes? Count 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. It means 5 crore is the place value of this underlined 5. Here underline given for 9. Count 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. It means 9, 10 crore will be the place value of this 9. Again count 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. It means 9, 10 crore. It means 90 crore. 9, 10 crore means 90 crore. Write the number names of the following. You can write. See one example for you. E. Number names. You have to write in words like this. Take an example. One example for you. If we take example E of 2, given 36 crore 44 lakh 22,521. Simply we can write in words 36 THIRTY 30 SIX 6 crore 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 40 FORTY 40 4 FOUR 4 lakh 22,000 500 21. This type we can write number names for all the given questions A, B, C, D, F. 3. Write the following in numerals using commas. We have to use commas also and write in numerals value. It means we have to write these in Sankhya. Right? Take example 3C. C given 10 crore 6 lakh 13,000 45. At first you will write numeral 45 45 13,000 not given 100, so 0 13,000 13,000 6 lakh, 6 lakh, not given any digit for 10 lakhs. 10 crore, 10 crore, 0, 1. So this number, now insert commas. Once, 1000, lakh, crore. Easily we can insert commas. Such type you will solve all the given questions of in 3. Question number 4. Place the following numbers in place value chart and write their number names and numerals. You may draw a place value chart. Such type, what is given here, such type you may draw a place value chart and write their periods and place, and thereafter you will put the digits whatever comes under the place value chart. Fill in the boxes. 5, 59,63,254. 5 into dash, 9 into dash, plus dash into 10,000, plus 3 into dash, plus dash into 100, plus 5 into dash, plus dash into 1. 5 at which place come? Definitely 10 lakh. So here write 10 lakh. Here 9 comes at lakh place. So here lakh, we will fill here lakh. At 10,000 place which digit comes? 6. Here we put 6. At 1000 place 3, 3 into 1000. At 100 place 2, 2 into 100. At 10's place 5, 5 into 10. Plus at once 4, 4 into 1. See another example for it. B. 9 crore 41 lakh 36,898. So at crores place 9 comes. So here 9 crores, 4 10 lakh, plus 1 lakh, plus 3 10 lakh, plus, 3 10,000, plus 6,000. Here we put 6 only. 6,000 plus 800 plus 9 10 plus 8 ones, and such type you may fill this. Write the expanded form for the following numbers in words. Expanded form. See one example for it. 6 each, 34, 12, 92, 486. Together the number is 34 crore 12 lakh 92,486. It means 3 10 crore, 3 10 crore plus 4 crore plus 1 10 lakh plus 2 lakhs plus 9 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 4 hundreds plus 8 tens plus 6 ones. You can write these numbers in such way: 3 into 10 crore plus 4 into crores plus 1 into 10 lakh plus 2 into lakhs plus 9 into 10,000 plus 2 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 6 into 1. This is the expanded form for this number. You can solve all the remaining questions by yourself. Write the expanded form of the following numbers in figures. Figures, expanded form. In figures, how can it be right? See the example for one example for 7. See example G. Given 26 crore 75 lakh 26 crore 75 lakh 78,021 78,021. Write this. 10 crores 10 crores plus 6 1 crore plus 7 10 lakh plus 5 1 lakh plus 7 10,000 plus 10,000 plus 8 1,000 plus 2 10 plus 1 1. Here in such way we can write these numbers in expanded form in figures. Write the standard form of the following. A standard form. Just we have to write these numbers in a standard form. In shortest form we can say, in numerical value also we can say. So one example for you: D 17 crores plus 5-10 lakhs, 5-10 lakhs plus 8 lakhs plus 7-10,000 plus 4,000 plus 500 plus 2 tens plus 4 ones. Write this in such way: 110 crore, 1 into 10 crore, in such way, plus 7 crore, 7 into 1 crore, plus 5-10 lakh, 5-10 lakh plus 8 lakh plus 7-10,000 plus 4,000 plus 500 plus 210 plus 4 ones. Right? At 10 crore place comes 1. At 7 crore place comes 7. At 10 lakh place comes 5. At lakh place comes 8. At 10,000 place 7. At 1,000 place there comes 4. At 100 place there comes 5. At tens place there comes 2. At ones place there comes 4. So insert commas: ones, 10, 100, thousands, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, 10 crore. In such way we can solve all the questions what are given in question number 8. See one example for you. In place value chart, how can you draw a place value chart? See here: ones, thousands, lakhs, crores, such way you can count the greatest number in this, and these are all called periods. And place in crore you can get 2 crore, 10 crore, 10 crore. Same as in lakh you can get 2 10 lakh, 10 lakh, lakh. In thousand we also get 2 10,000 and 1,000. In ones we get 3 hundreds, tens and ones. These are place, and so we can take the, you can make the place value in such way. These are periods and these are place. In such way, see some examples for you. Question number A. Write here numbers. Question number A. Given 76,59,431. Write for this. At ones place there comes 1, tens place 3, hundred place 4, thousand place 9, 10,000 place 5, lakhs place 6, and there comes 7 place. There comes 7 at the place of 10 lakh. 10 lakh saving. In such way, A for you, one example, other for you, age. Number given 96,057,0296. 96 crore 5,70,296. At ones place there comes 6, at 10 place 9, at 100 place 2, at 1000 place 0, at 10,000 place 7, at lakh place 5, at 10 lakh place 0, at crore place 6, at 10 crore place 9, and so on. I hope that you will write, you will places all the numbers in place value chart. You will place all the numbers in place value chart in such way, right? So thank you students, and I hope that you all will solve all the questions, all the problems what are given in exercise 2. If you will get any type of problem, you can ask me by your mobile number or your landline number, or if you have problem to contact me, you can consult me after coming in the school. Thank you and have a great day ahead.